This is a quick tutorial on how to complete your four-year academic plan through Infinite Campus or IC. Students can access IC through the mabears.org website here at the top of the page. Upon accessing the login screen, you're going to use your SEQ username and password. Upon entering the IC program, this is a dummy account. We're going to navigate to the academic planner here on the left-hand side. And then as a class, we're going to kind of work through the next 2 years. It's important for students to consider their areas of strength, how they've done in the past, also the sequencing of different classes. Obviously, you would not begin government in your junior year, as that's a 12th grade class, and so on. So again, today's activity, we're going to focus on selecting courses in your 11th and 12th grade. And again, this is for planning purposes and can be updated. For students to select courses, we're going to simply click the box of the content or the subject matter, and then we're going to select the next appropriate class.